parrots, this animal from Australia, has a high IQ and comes in different colors, making it the most colorful bird in the world. There are different species of parrots. The common ones are macaws, cockatoos, peacocks, and burgee. The large parrots have the higher IQ.
They try to outwit each other.
We actually caught them out playing a little mating game of their own.
There are many species of parrots in the topses, and they eat berries and grass.
Man-made water holes helped parrots spread and survive where they couldn't have done before. Ringneck parrots, budgerigars, pale-headed rosellas all come in to drink in family groups. Mulga parrots can live in waterless areas, but no one in the outback turns down a free drink. Rain rarely falls in the Australian deserts.
Do you know the oil parrot? The New Zealanders ask these birds called kakapo. The local Maori word for kaka, which means parrots, and po means oil. The flight least natural of the oil parrots means that they can only service an area where there are no vermin. Chalk Island is southwest of New Zealand, covered a total area of 154 hectares, and has its highest point at 151 meters above sea level. The island is named after the chalk that makes up the cliffs of the southwest coast. The island is an ideal oil parrot's sanctuary during the absence of native plants, especially those favored by oil parrots. The kakapo is a nocturnal parrot, colored in yellow and green dots, and is endemic to New Zealand. It has a unique arrangement of disc feathers on his face. Unique receptors, feather whiskers, a large grey bill, short legs, large feet, wings, and a relatively short tail. Its different habits make it a rather unique species. It is the only flightless parrot in the world.
Chip is 124.
Moss is one of the calmer kakapo on the island.
Does that transmitter string a good fit?
Yeah.
Moss was a young male, about 7 years old.
Got some beautiful green feathers down there.
And so he's in really good shape. He looks fantastic. I think he's just molted and that they're beautiful new feathers.
Unlike most flightless birds, the kakapo's wings still have a practical use.
They use them to balance.
By 1920, the oil parrot was extinct on the North Island, and the members were delicting on South Island, the harsh-shore area where their last refuge. Occasional sightings of oil were still reporting into the 1930s, either when they were hard or captured by hunters and road builders, and from 1940 onwards report of sightings of oils.
Isolated on the remote islands of New Zealand for millions of years,
Many oil parrot helpers are keeping the oil parrots from the brinking of extinctions. So the extinction of a species is often caused by human destroying nature. If you still want oil parrots to live in the world, do not do anything to destroy nature, protect the nature, protect the earth, and love our home.